Your shift has ended, but there's still so much to do before you close the shop. With Passport X, end-of-day procedures are easy to manage. Let's see how. Tap on the Operation button, then click Shift Close. Verify each tender by tapping the OK button to confirm the amount. Review your daily summary. Click Close when ready to continue. Tap End of Day. End of Day successfully completed. Click Point of Sale Open to start the first shift of the new day. Log in user, and you're ready to go. The point of sale and head office sync automatically, and the Z report can be printed. The procedure continues from the head office portal. Navigate to Front Office, Logistics, End of Day. Select a closed shift from the list of point of sale shifts and click End of Day. Verify the data in the tabs is correct, and once you're ready, click Close Day. Select the shift, then click the Close Day button. Click Yes to continue. The end of day is completed and the status of the shift is changed to reconciled. With Passport X, you can easily and efficiently operate your business and keep customers satisfied. Passport X by Gilbarco Veeder-Root.